She can't do it no more. How the heck can she do that? She's just so small.
Way to go, Mia!
You made it up on the couch. For what reason? Why did you want to go on the couch?
Because that's where everybody else is.
Except we don't trust you on the couch. You might fall off.
Mia. We're going to call you Monkey Mia.
Yeah, we're calling you Monkey Mia. You like that name? Hey, do you like Monkey Mia? No? You don't like it.
No. Aw.
We'll call her Sarcastic Mia.
No. Monkey Mia.
Hi, Monkey Mia.
You going to go back on the floor now, Mia? Want to play with your brothers and sisters?
No, she's gonna come back up. The reason why she was climbing up is because when Casey was up here, I put her back. Casey jumped down. She stayed up. I put her back down. She came back up here for some reason. Don't know why. Tristan came up here and ruined the video.
Not.